Grade 7s, how are you today? So today we are learning about polymers, and let's begin by trying to define and identify what polymers are and what they are made out of. Okay, so what we need to understand first is that polymers are a huge and diverse group of substances, and these substances they include plastic, wood, clothing, right? All these are made out of polymers. So it's a quite diverse group of substances. So this includes plastic, wood, clothing, and many other substances. So polymers can be put into two categories. We have got man-made polymers as well as natural polymers. So on man-made polymers, we are talking about products like the PVC. We are talking about products like polypropylene, polyethylene, and many other products. Okay, so here on man-made, these are polymers that are manufactured in the industries. So scientists, they actually go into industries, mix substances and chemicals to make these man-made polymers. A very common example, electric cables. This outside coating that is used on electric cables is a very good example of man-made polymers. Most of them, they are made out of PVC and polyethylene. We are going to come back to this. And then we have natural polymers. Natural polymers are usually made by plants and animals. So it's plants and animals which make natural polymers. And these natural polymers, they include wood, they also include wool, as well as cotton, and many other natural polymers. So we also have silk under natural polymers. Okay, so we all know that wood comes from trees, wool comes from animals like sheep, cotton comes from plants, silk comes from the silkworms. Okay, so these are, but not least, examples of natural polymers. But what you have to mostly remember is that natural polymers are made by plants and animals. Okay, having said that, now let's look at an important topic of how exactly are polymers made. How are polymers made?